I saw a video. Oh, I love black with rainbow, which is really hard to find. And I found out that they sell them at Hot Topic, and they're like buy one get one free. So it's $5. So you're paying $2.50, and I like bought a bunch of nail polishes. I bought every purple one they had in the bunch, or at least almost all. OMG, this is absolutely gorgeous. And they had a lot more, but really I just was interested in these. It's all just thrown in a bin. Every store gets what they get. And I got some at the mall near my brother. And I don't know if the light, because one of my lights are broken, so I'm only working off one light. I don't know if you can tell that it's got that iridescence. I've never seen a black like that. At least not in a nail polish or even in an eyeshadow. And they also have one called Oil Slick, but this is black with like green, maybe purple and gold iridescence. And I bought this beautiful iridescent bag. So when I saw this was like $4.90. I had to have it. I got this. I got like a bunch of nail polishes, which I have all in here. All the purple ones, and then a couple of purple, green iridescent. And I got this sea green. I love sea green. But it was because some of these were actually on clearance. So it was like buy $2 each or something. It was like buy one for $3 and get $2 off the other one. But they were like $2 each. And so I even, I got all of this. So I got like 30% off the bag. The nail polishes you couldn't because it was buy one get one free. So, so I did that.